This is something I always tell my own students as well. I find the work of Orientalists very valuable. I think they are very meticulous, academically talented, and very successful at finding data. But they always interpret this data from within their own traditions. That's why what we need to do is consider how we can interpret this data from the perspective of our own tradition and, for example, what kind of explanation we can offer. Let's take the simplest example, the issue of common narrators. We see certain clusters in the isnad structures. For instance, Orientalists view these clusters as suspicious. So, think of it like a tree, and there are concentrations on certain branches. But how can we explain this? When we started to examine this based on these criticisms, for example, we saw that we could explain it through the systematization of hadith transmission, or we saw that we could explain it by the large-scale collection of hadiths and by the students who regularly received hadiths from the narrators who compiled these hadiths.